ramen egg boil. The eggs, the onions, the noodles, and sausage, and the sauce. Even though YouTuber mukbangers been doing this, but I'm just going along with the trend. Let me just try. I mean, because it was different kind of stuff that they put in there. So. And I like sausage and egg anyway. I like noodles too. That's it. I'm tear it up regardless because this is what I eat. But it's good though. Yeah, try it. It's good though, y'all. It's quick. And y'all look. It tastes just like a seafood boil. Times are high right now. And a lot of people can't afford the king crab and all that stuff. For real, one onion, sausage, egg, and the noodles. The noodles like what, 25 cents? Sausage like $3. The egg, 18 packets like $3. The noodles, and I said onion, right? But yeah, and y'all can have fun just eating it. Oh, good. This is weird. I'm saying it's weird because right now I'm not using my camera. I'm using my daughter's phone, and I can see. Because I couldn't see on my phone, but I see on her phone. So, but I won't be seeing on her phone for long. This is just for this video. Cause she's right here. But yeah, y'all, it was good. I ain't gonna stay on here for long. I'm gonna eat it and I'm gonna share it with my baby. Thank you. Because none of us have the COVID over here, so we can share it right now. So I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love me like I love you. And until the next video, y'all better like this video, comment on this video, share this video, okay? And turn on that bell